download Zoom app, plus what are the protocols which you need to follow or to use Zoom app. So where to start? Let's talk about this. First, if you are an Apple user, that means you are going to use the App Store for it. Where are you going to download it? From App Store. But if you are an Android user like Samsung or any other phone, then you have to go to Play Store. And if you have you are using a laptop or a desktop, then you are going to use Google to download this app. So these are the basic three things from where you are gonna get the Zoom app. First is App Store for the Apple users, then Play Store for Android phones, and for Google for the desktop and laptops. Now I'm going to tell you how to download the Zoom app. First, you are going to go in an app that is called App Store or a Play Store or a Google. Then you have a search bar like this on that phone or on that desktop. In this search bar, what you are going to do is you are going to write Zoom Cloud Meeting. What you are going to write is Zoom Cloud Meeting. Zoom Cloud Meeting, when you are going to write in this, then the screen will pop up like this. After this, here is the downloading button that is for free. You are going to choose the free one. You are not going to choose the pro one, because in the pro you have to buy that app, but you are going to use the free download option. So when you click on this button, it will start downloading, and this kind of round button will show on the screen. That means it will start buffering either in a round form, either in square form. So in that case, that thing will be start downloading. When it start downloading, you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, when this thing will download completely, then there comes an option open. On the App Store, on the Play Store, it will show open. You can check it on your phone as well, but if you are close that App Store, then उसमें क्या आ जाएगा, एक ऑप्शन आपके पास ओपन का. When you are going to click on this button, this kind of screen will pop up on your tablet, on your phone, on your desktop. What you are going to do is you are not going to look at this option. You are just going to look for this option that shows join a meeting. That means you are going to click on this button and leave the rest of the things as it is. You don't have to go for the other things. Just click on this blue button that shows join a meeting. When you click on that button, then comes the other thing. Now, when you join on the meeting, when you click on that button, then what are the things you need for meeting? There will be a Zoom application which you have already downloaded. Then comes a use of 9, 10 or 11 digits. It's called meeting ID, which will be given to you through your WhatsApp number. So you are going to put that ID in that search bar where it is called meeting, join the meeting. उसमें आप क्या करेंगे? उसमें आप वो 9, 10 और 11 digits का जो भी कोड हम आपको भेजेंगे, वो आप उसके अंदर put कर देंगे. After putting that, you are going to click on the meeting ID. For that, what you need is you need a Zoom application which you have already downloaded in your phone, your desktops, and after that you need a 9, 10 or 11 digit code that is called meeting ID, which will be provided to you through your WhatsApp number. So what you are going to do, you are going to put that ID in that join the meeting button. After that, you are going to click on that blue join the meeting button, and after that you are going to enter that 11. You will join the meeting automatically. Let me explain this again. First, you need a Zoom application. आपके पास Zoom application होनी चाहिए, जो हमने आपको बताया how to download it. Second is you need 9 and 11 digits code which is called meeting ID. आपने उस meeting ID को कहाँ लगाना है? You need to put that ID in that bar. And after that, putting that ID, you are going to simply click on join button. when you're going to click on that blue button, what's going to happen? You are going to automatically connect to the meeting which will be hosted by the school. Okay, there are certain some tips, quick tips for using the Zoom app which you are going to follow all these instructions, because if you are using for example, if you are using an external camera like you are using a desktop, then you have to be sure that the webcam is attached to it. Webcam plus your headset, that is called headphones, or you can call it handfree. You have to take both the things with you, but make sure that your headset or your webcam is attached or plugged into that system before you join the Zoom meeting. Because if you join in between, there will be a lot of distortion. So opening the Zoom application, we recommend using a headset if possible, but I recommend you to please use a hand-free or a headphone so that you can hear properly and avoid all kind of distortions. Then there comes a other option which is a main concern. Don't put the tablet or your phone on louder mode. Please don't do it, because if you do it, you are not going to hear the things properly. So what you are going to do is, and please don't connect that thing to a speaker or something, or a louder button. So one thing can process at one time. For example, if there is a one microphone in your phone, so उसमें वही चलेगा. You don't have to connect that to speaker or some other systems. So because अगर आप उसके साथ कोई भी और चीज जो है वो attach करेंगे, there will be a lot of screeching in the and distortion kind of sound in that thing. So third one is be sure to mute yourself. Please, I am telling you over and over again, please make sure that you are going to mute your microphones. Why you are going to mute your microphone? Because if you're not going to mute your microphone, there will be a lot of problems, because the speaker will be disturbed by your voices. And plus, use a room, use a place where the internet facility is proper, where there is no other sounds like your siblings or your mother or your father who are not sitting with you. And if they are sitting, please make sure they are not making any kind of noise, because this will disturb a lot of your speaker. This will disturb you as well and the speaker as well. So then there is other thing. If you have any kind of problem, use chat box. There is an option in the Zoom meeting. उसमें क्या करना है आपने? There is a chat box. उसमें you need to do two things. First, you are going to mention your name. You are going to mark your attendance through your chat box. You are going to mention your name in that chat box so that we know that this person is listening to the meeting. Secondly, and if you are going to ask a question, or if you are not hearing it properly, if you have some voice problem or any other problem, you can mention that thing in the chat box. We will be looking up, there will be one person who will be looking on all those kind of stuff. So we will try to solve that at the very first. So you cannot record unless you are not a meeting host, plus unless we are not giving you, unless we don't give you a permission to record it. Why? There is an option in the Zoom application which shows record, but you are not able to record it unless I am not going to allow you, or the other teacher or other speaker is not going to allow you. Because उससे क्या होगा? Because there are अगर आप उसको record button पे लगा देंगे, then you will not be that much attentive to the thing. Second, and then Zoom session without the Zoom Pro. Zoom Pro is basically app which is which the people purchase. So Zoom Pro app के अलावा the call will be limited to the 45 minutes. Like if you are using for school, the session will be for 40 minutes, but if you are using at your home for some meeting or something of the sort, then it will last 45 minutes. After that you have to put another ID, another password, so that why I am telling you 45 minutes, because if you are logged in, we have sent you an ID password that will be visible only for that class. Like a kids class का lecture एक आईडी भेजा जाएगा, उसमें मीटिंग आईडी आपको. So now we are coming on this kind of screen that will be pop up on your screen. First is there will be a meeting topic. There will be a host which we are, on school will be the host. Then invitation URL. This is the link which you can send to your friend as well, but we are going to, if we are going to allow that person to attend that meeting, then only he or she, that person can attend it. And there is a participant ID that is will be different at different places. So there are few buttons which pop up at your screen. First is, this is the microphone button which you are going to mute it like this. If you are going to mute it, that means this microphone has the red line over it. That means your microphone is muted. And after that there is this video. If you are comfortable with sharing your video, you can share it, but if you are not comfortable with sharing your video, you can also close this app as well. After that, all these, there is a chat box, there is some other stuff which you are not going to use it. You just have to look on the three things. Number one, your microphone, that should be muted. Number two, your video, either you prefer to mute it, or either you prefer to off, make it off, or you on, that depends on you. And this is the last thing, that is called chat box, in which you are going to mark your attendance, plus you are going to tell if you face any kind of problem. So start or stop your video feed, invite your participant to the meeting, but this is not valid for you because you are not the host of the that meeting. And manage a view list of the meeting, who are the person who are using this, and share your screen. You can share your screen with your friends or with family members. Record the meeting, but you are not going to use this thing unless until we are not going to allow you. So leave the meeting. That also depends upon us. When the session will be closed, the meeting will be automatically ended. So you don't have to go on this end button plus on this button. You are not going to use it. Secondly, there's multiple participants, that is the button which are going to use by the host of the meeting. So all these things are you are going to use in the case of Zoom app. So basically, what are the things which school needs you to follow? What are the some instructions which we want you to follow? First of all, please mute your mic. Please mute your microphone. Why? Because if you mute your microphone, you are going to listen that the speaker properly. If you want to ask question, you can mention that in chat box. But if you still find any problem, we'll give you last 5 minutes to ask any kind of question which comes to your mind. Second thing is, please be punctual. If your lecture starts at 9:30, that means you have to be online at 9:15. Why 9:15? Because you will be receiving a password meeting ID, and after that you are going to use that meeting ID for joining the meeting. And meanwhile, if the session is for the 40 minutes, your class will be of 40 minutes, but if you join in between, you are not going to learn what the teacher has taught already. We will be sending you the notes through WhatsApp, so you have to make sure that you are following the lectures plus your notes through WhatsApp. And if you still find any confusion, I give you 2 numbers which you are going to be used in this. So in case you are on Zoom video, you are getting the lectures online. If you feel any kind of problem, and if you feel that your problem is not sorted out, then what you are going to do is you are going to call on this number, that is 047 76 20018. This is our helpline number. You can call it anytime during the sessions, so that your problem will be sorted out. And the second one is 0335 767 0050. This is the number for text. If you want to drop a text, you don't have a credit, or you have any kind of problem in calling that person up, you can drop a message as well on this numbers. Please save this number as the helpline for your online lectures. If you find any kind of problem, text on this number. call on this number. Plus, please be punctual. And one more thing, the ID will be for that 40 minutes only. Your time will be started as we have forwarded you the schedule as well. That is on 9:30. Your time will be your lecture will be started at 9:30. It varies from class to class, and it will be ended by 2 o'clock. So you gonna call, or if you feel any kind of problem, तो आप इस पे क्या करेंगे, आप इसमें कॉल इन नंबर्स पे कर लेंगे, इस नंबर पे कॉल, इस पे टेक्स्ट, और उसके दौरान अगर आप ऑनलाइन लेक्चर के दौरान क्या कहते हैं कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है तो भी आप हमें जो है वो चैट बॉक्स के जो है वो ऑप्शन होगी आपके पास, आप उस पर हमें जो है वो मैसेज ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली ये सारी चीज़ें आपको इसलिए बताई गई है ताकि आपको ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स में कोई किसी भी किस्म का कोई प्रॉब्लम जो है वो ना हो. थैंक यू सो मच. अपना ख्याल रखें, अपनी पंक्चुअलिटी से जो है वो क्लासेस लें ताकि आप जब स्कूल में आए तो प्रॉपर्ली आपके पेपर्स हो सके, आपको किसी भी किस्म का जो है वो हर्ष ना हो, और हम इतनी सारी एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं सिर्फ आपके लिए. स्टे ट्यून्ड.